chicken biryani. I have chicken here. Let's mix the ingredients. Tomato, onion, ginger and garlic paste, curry leaves, kusbara, mint, curry powder, turmeric, coriander powder, cinnamon stick, yogurt, and salt. And let's mix. Now let's set aside this to marinate for 30 minutes. While waiting for the chicken, let's cook our rice, lemon, butter, salt, and hot water. Okay, now rice is cooked. Let's throw the water. Now let's cook our chicken. Let's check our chicken and mix it. Now our chicken is finished in another pan. First layer rice, second layer chicken, and third layer rice again. Now let's sprinkle it with mixture of saffron and water, mint, and kusbara. Let's cover and steam. And after a few minutes, ta-da! That's it. Thank you for watching.